Most people set up their LLC completely wrong, and that's exactly why banks deny them for business credit. I see this mistake all the time. Entrepreneurs do everything they think is right, only to get denied when they apply for business credit. But here's the good news. If you follow these 5 simple steps, you'll be on your way to $50,000 in business credit without touching your personal credit. Skip even one step, you risk getting denied instantly. Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how to set up your LLC the right way so that the banks actually want to approve you. I've helped hundreds of business owners get approved for business credit. And the difference between those who succeed and those who struggle come down to how they set up their LLC from day one. So in this video, I'll show you the 5 critical steps to set up your LLC correctly. The biggest mistake that get business owners denied, how to make your business look bank approved from day one. Before we dive in, let me tell you about Mark. Mark set up his LLC, got his EIN, opened his business bank account, and applied for funding and got denied instantly. The crazy part, he thought he did everything right. His mistake was step 3, something most people overlook. I'll explain exactly where he went wrong in just a minute. But first, let's make sure you don't make that same mistake. Step 1, pick a strong business name. Your business name matters more than you think. Banks categorize business by risk level. If your LLC name includes words like real estate, investments, or financial, you're immediately flagged as high risk. The fix: choose a neutral general business name like FYM Enterprise so you don't limit your funding options. Step 2, get your EIN, Employer Identification Number. Your EIN is like your business social security number. No EIN, no funding, period. Go to the IRS.gov, apply for free. Get your EIN instantly. Pro tip: your EIN is required for almost every financial move in your business. So get it done ASAP. Step 3, open a business bank account. This is the mistake that got Mark denied. Here's what happened. Mark used his personal bank account instead of his business bank account. Banks rejected him instantly. Big mistake. The fix: open a business bank account and make sure the name matches the LLC exactly. Use it consistently for business transactions. You never mix personal and business expenses. Step 4, get a business phone and email. Using your name at Gmail for business, banks won't take you seriously. Same goes for using your personal cell number. The fix: get a professional email. Your name at yourbusiness.com. Use a business phone number. Google Voice or a second phone line works. Why? Because banks check how professional your business looks before approving you. Step 5, list your business online. Fun fact, banks Google your business before they approve you. If they can't find you online, they'll assume you're not legit. The fix: list your business on Google My Business, Yelp, and online directories. Make sure your business address and phone number match across all listings. If you follow these 5 steps correctly, you'll be set up for business credit in 90 days. Skip even one, you'll risk getting denied. But here's the kicker. This is just step 1. If you really want to build $50,000 in business credit, you need to know exactly how to structure your business and credit profile to get even bigger approvals. Now that you got your LLC set up, it's time to start building real business credit fast.